What is up, YouTube? Today we're back with another unboxing. It's the MI Router 3C. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's have a look at the box. Let's open it up. So this is a pull tag, and we'll use this to slide out the box inside.
American me, wearing a hairnet as a teen, feeding my arrogance to be seen, embarrassing care, how I was scared, unaware of my dreams, just an heir to what my parents had seen, how unfair it all seems.
So here we have the router. Let's just keep this aside and have a look at the content of the box. Here we have a user manual. In here we have a charger. The charger is made up of very cheap quality plastic, so it'll do the work. For now, let's just keep all the contents aside and have a look at the router itself. Here we have it. Let's just pull this plastic sleeve out. Oh my god, a complete white router. This, I'm sure, is gonna be a dust magnet.
The last 3 bars and parts to prelude. Dang, Sylvan said I see you, man. Brought my skills from LA to the EU land and from Alta. And on this altar,
here we have the power port, the Ethernet port, and 2 LAN ports. Each port has an LED indicator below them. Below the router we have a lot of room for vents, so this won't heat up. And it's a very lightweight router, so it's easy to hang this up on the wall. It has 4 huge antennas for a great coverage area, and the overall build of the router is of plastic. It has the MI logo branding at the top. And with this, the unboxing and an overview for the MI Router 3C comes to an end. If you like my video, guys, to give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe icon and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new content, and support the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.